After a recent motorcycle accident, I decided to transfer my CBR600RR into the ultimate motorcycle. In the last video, we assessed the damage and made a list of the parts that we need to actually get this bike to get it where we want. Today, we're gonna get into actually rebuilding the bike. We're gonna get into the most damaged area, which is the front end. We're gonna start off with the forks, wheels, and hopefully we're gonna have enough time to do the radiator hose. So I actually went ahead and bought these forks. As you can see, they do have some scratches, but that's fine as long as like they're functioning properly and working properly. I'll also show you the wheel. So here's the wheel. I actually came in with the front rotors, but mine are better than the ones that came with it. So I'm gonna reuse mine. Other than that, it should be pretty straightforward. So I actually don't have a front stand which can hold it from the triple tree. So we're gonna do something interesting today. We're gonna use this normal car jack with a piece of plank or any surface that's actually even, because I don't want to actually damage the headers, so I'm gonna use this as a stand.
Well, it wasn't as straightforward as I thought it'd be. After getting the bike up and lifted, I noticed the front wheel wasn't spinning smoothly. Turns out the right rotor was actually bent. Definitely a bummer, but nothing major. I started taking off the calipers. The right one came off with no problem, but the left one, yeah, that one really tested my patience. So I tried heating it up to make it easier to remove. Didn't work out. So I had to work around it and take the front wheel off without removing the left caliper. Eventually, I got it off. But the bad luck didn't stop there. Picking off the forks was a pain. They were bent, and one of them was even cracked. That didn't stop me though. I pulled them out and got it done. Then came the real issue, installing the new forks. The left one had to be forced in, and the right side just wouldn't sit at all. By now you've probably guessed it. The lower triple tree was bent and needed to be replaced. That was a major setback. I didn't want to order a new one because it would take me 1 to 2 weeks, and I was trying to avoid waiting. I searched locally, but I couldn't find one that wasn't bent, so I tried to get mine straightened, but there isn't a specialized shop in my area. That process took 2 weeks, and it didn't work. Total fail. At that point, I had a trip planned, so I decided to pause the project. In hindsight, I should have just ordered the part right away. By the time I got back, it would have been here. But nope, my big brain thought, hey, maybe I can get one cheaper in the country I'm going to. Yeah, no. I found a bunch, but they were $280 to $350, which was way more than what I could have paid online. So I went back and ordered one for $181, and that whole process ended up taking me 2 months. Moral of the story: just bite the bullet and do it right first time. Even if it feels going to take longer, it'll probably save you time and sanity in the long run. Anyway, I finally put in the new radiator hose, gave the bike a quick wash, and installed the new forks. And they fit perfectly. I'm just glad we got through the major part of the build. Or did we? Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!